Polychrome&air just sent me these beautiful glossy nude squoval press-on nails and I am in love. And in this video, I am going to trim these down. While I absolutely love the way they are right now, I do too much housework to keep nails this long. So I'm going to trim them down so they're both attractive and are best for my lifestyle. Let's go. So all I'm going to do is trim each of these down about halfway. Makes me sad, they're so pretty. But the best part about press-ons is you can make them your own. I did a quick rough cut, now it's time to file them down. Now they're way better for me. Love them. Polychrome&air makes a variety of gorgeous press-on nails. I know you'll find the ones for you.